I don't think I'm gonna be good at this. Am I doing animals again?
Oh, it's getting ready.
Am I doing animals?
Oh, yes. Oh, it's got a hard shell, and he...
turtle.
But,
tortoise.
Texas. No, but he's Texas on the sides of the roads. Always dead on the side of the road. Hard shell.
Hard shell on the side of the
A squiggly little tail coming up the back.
A.
I don't know about the whole study with an A. And no.
Toad? Guys, this isn't really good for my score. Work with me.
Okay, look, we got it correct. Oh, they have these in the mountains.
Goats.
Yes. If you're building something, you get a big piece of machinery, and it's also a
caterpillar. There are caterpillar machines. Deer. You've never heard of a caterpillar machine?
It's a bird.
Crane.
Yeah.